A total hip replacement through a traditional approach, or the posterior lateral approach, is done through the back of the hip, cutting through large muscles in the back of the hip. This is the traditional incision. Going through the gluteus maximus muscle, which is one of the largest muscles of the body. The anterior hip replacement is a total hip replacement performed through an incision in the front of the hip. And the advantage of this is that we can get to the hip without cutting any muscles. Now, the bikini approach brings this up another level where we actually use a natural crease in front of the hip to gain access to the hip, leaving a minimal scar. So basically what I'll do is I'll find Langer's lines, I'll bend up the hip, and I'll look for that natural crease in the hip, which is right here. By going through that natural crease, there's a minimal scar. So, this is a posterior approach, this is a traditional anterior approach, this small incision along that hip crease is the bikini approach.